We'll guide you through how to add a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. Here we are in Google Sheets, and you may be working on a spreadsheet where you want to add a pop-up calendar date picker. This is really useful because it allows you to select a date from a calendar instead of typing it manually. In this guide, I'll show you 2 different ways to do this, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip ahead, otherwise you might miss an important step. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to type date at the top of the sheet and make it bold. Then I'll click on the cell where I want to insert a date. Type the @ symbol and then type date. Select the date option that appears in the suggestions. As soon as you click it, a calendar date picker will pop up. You can now choose any date you want. The date will automatically be inserted into the cell. That's the first method. Now let's look at another method that works for multiple cells. First, create another column if needed. Click and drag to select all of the cells where you want the date picker to appear. Once the cells are selected, go to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. A panel will open on the right-hand side. Click on Add Rule. Under Criteria, click the drop-down menu. Select as valid date. Then choose Reject the input so that only valid dates can be entered. Click Done. Now, when you double-click on any of the selected cells, a calendar will pop up. You can choose any date you like, and it will be inserted automatically. This works for every cell that you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. If you found this useful and want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video.